Problem 4b, let's rewrite it as a multiplication by taking that reciprocal of that second expression. That leads us to this, 4x over x plus 4 multiplied by 8x plus 32 over 4x plus 16. Let's focus on factoring the numerator. We've got a 4x term here. We've also got here, I'm going to just leave that outside of parentheses. We've got a 4x, and then I see we've got 8x plus 32. We're looking at this term here. Greatest common factor is 8. We can factor out the 8, and when we do that, we get an x plus 4 that's left over. There's our numerator. Next, let's move on to the denominator. We've got a term that's x plus 4. Nothing else we can do there as far as factoring is concerned. Then we've got 4x plus 16. Here we've got a greatest common factor. That's not 8, but 4. So we can factor out a 4, and when we do that, we're left with an x plus 4. So now that is factored form. When it comes time to looking at simplified form, let's see what we can cancel out in both the numerator and the denominator. We've got an x plus 4 in both the numerator and denominator. We've got a 4 both. And now that tells me we are left with an 8x in the numerator and an x plus 4 in the denominator. What are those restrictions on x? Well, if x is negative 4, that first factor in the denominator in the factored form would be 0. And then we've got the same thing here, x is negative 4 in the other term. So our restrictions are that x cannot equal negative 4. Excellent job today, everyone. You are now mastering your skills at factoring and simplifying and multiplying and dividing those rational expressions. Go ahead and do your 4-3 day 11 homework, and we'll see you all next week.